Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Options tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Options tab. In General tab, there are 4 sections. First section is User Interface Options. Second section is Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Third section is Startup Options. Fourth section is Real-Time Collaboration Options. Let's begin with first section, that is User Interface Options. First option is Show Mini Toolbar on selection. If we select this option, Mini Toolbar will be shown when we select some content in document, with quick access to formatting tools. Second option is Enable Live Preview. If we select this option, we can see preview of different font, highlight color, just by hovering mouse over options. Third option is Update Document Content while dragging. If we select this option, we can see how the document content will look like when we move, resize or rotate the objects in document. Next option is Screen Tip Style, which is used to get the tips when we hover mouse on different components. Under Screen Tip Style there are 3 options. First option is Show Feature Descriptions in Screen Tips. Second option is Don't Show Feature Descriptions in Screen Tips. Third option is Don't Show Screen Tips. Next section is Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. We can provide username, initials. We can select the option, always use these values regardless of sign into Office. We can set Office background and Office themes from list, which are also available under File menu, Account tab. Next section is Startup Options. Options available are, tell me if Microsoft Word isn't the default program for viewing and editing documents. Open email attachments and other uneditable files in Reading View. Show the start screen when this application starts. Next section is Real-Time Collaboration Options. The options available to share the changes automatically, when working with others are, always, never and ask me. Also, we can show names on presence flags. Next tab is Display. There are 3 sections. First section is Page Display Options. Second section is Always Show these formatting marks on the screen. Third section is Printing Options. Let's begin with first section, that is Page Display Options. First option is Show white space between pages in Print Layout View. If we select this option, top and bottom margin will be shown, along with header and footer contents. Next option is Show Highlighter Marks. Using this option we can hide or unhide highlighted content in document. Next option is Show Document Tooltips on hover. This option is used to get tooltips, when we hover mouse on different components. Next section is Always Show these formatting marks on the screen. We can show or hide different formatting marks like tab character, spaces, paragraph marks, hidden text, optional hyphens, object anchors or show all formatting marks. Next section is Printing Options. Options available are, print drawings created in Word, print background colors and images, print document properties, print hidden text, update fields before printing, update linked data before printing. Next tab is Proofing. There are 4 sections. First section is Autocorrect Options. Second section is When correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. Third section is When correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Fourth section is Exceptions for. Let's begin with first section, that is Autocorrect Options. Under Autocorrect Options, there are 5 tabs. That is Autocorrect, Math Autocorrect, Auto Format as you type, Auto Format, Actions. Under Autocorrect tab, the options available are, Show Autocorrect Options buttons. Correct to initial capitals. Capitalize first letter of sentences. Capitalize first letter of table cells. Capitalize names of days. Correct accidental usage of caps lock key. Replace text as you type. We can add or remove text to replace with some other text in the list. Automatically use suggestions from the spelling checker. Next tab is Math Autocorrect. The options available are: use math autocorrect rules outside of math regions. If we select this option, then, when math correct and autocorrect rules conflict, autocorrect rules will be used. Replace text as you type. We can add or remove mathematical functions to replace with symbols in the list. Next tab is Auto Format as you type. There are 3 sections. First section is Replace as you type. Second section is Apply as you type. Third section is Automatically as you type. Let's begin with first section, that is Replace as you type. Options available are: straight quotes with smart quotes, fractions with fraction character, bold and italic with real formatting. That is, if we start and end with star, the text will be converted into bold. If we start and end with underscore, text will be converted into italic. Next option is Internet and Network Paths with hyperlinks, ordinals with superscript, 2 hyphens with dash. Next section is Apply as you type. Options available are: automatic bulleted lists, border lines, built-in heading styles, automatic numbered lists, tables. Next section is Automatically as you type. Options available are: format beginning of list item like the one before it, set left and first indent with tabs and backspaces, define styles based on your formatting. Next tab is Auto Format. There are 4 sections. First section is Apply. Second section is Replace. Third section is Preserve. Fourth section is Always Auto Format. Let's begin with first section, that is Apply. Options available are: built-in heading styles, list styles, automatic bulleted lists, other paragraph styles. Next section is Replace. Options available are: straight quotes with smart quotes, ordinals with superscript, fractions with fraction character, 2 hyphens with dash, bold and italic with real formatting, Internet and Network Paths with hyperlinks. Next section is Preserve, where we can preserve styles. Next section is Auto Format, where we can auto format plain text email documents. Next tab is Actions. In this tab we can add additional actions in the right-click menu. Next section is when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. Options available are: ignore words in uppercase, ignore words that contain numbers, ignore internet and file addresses, flag repeated words, enforce accented uppercase in French, suggest from main dictionary only. Under Custom Dictionaries, we can edit word list, change default, create new dictionary list, add dictionary list, remove dictionary list, and add dictionary path by clicking on Browse. Also, we can set dictionary language. We can set French modes and Spanish modes. Next section is when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Options available are: check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type, frequently confused words, check grammar with spelling, show readability statistics. Writing style is set as grammar, and settings available are: capitalization, capitalization in sentences, hyphenation, misuse words, noun phases, punctuation, spacing, subject-verb agreement, verb phrases. Also, we can recheck document for grammar. Next section is exceptions for. We can set it for current document or all new documents. Options available are: hide spelling errors in this document only, hide grammar errors in this document only. Next tab is Save. There are 3 sections. First section is Save Documents. Second section is Offline Editing Options for Document Management Server Files. Third section is Preserve Fidelity when sharing this document. Let's begin with first section, that is Save Documents. We can select the format to save the files. We can set auto recovery time in minutes, and we can keep the last autosave version if document is closed without saving. We can define auto recovery file location. Other options are: don't show the backstage when opening or saving files. Show additional places for saving, even if sign-in may be required. Save to computer by default. We can set default local file location and default personal template location. Next section is offline editing options, for document management server files. We can save server checked out file to the server drafts location on computer or Office document cache. We can also define server drafts location. Next section is preserve fidelity when sharing this document. We can set it for current or all the documents. We can embed fonts in file with options: embed only the characters used in the document, best for reducing file size. Do not embed common system fonts. Next tab is language. There are two sections. First section is choose editing languages. Second section is choose display and help languages. Let's begin with first section, that is choose editing language. We can add additional language, remove, and set default language. Also, we can select the option, let me know when I should download additional proofing tools. Next section is choose display and help languages. We can set default for display language and help language. Next tab is advanced. First section is editing options. Options available are: typing replaces selected text. When selecting, automatically select entire word. Allow text to be dragged and dropped. Use Ctrl and click to follow hyperlink. Automatically create drawing canvas when inserting auto shapes. Use smart paragraph selection. Use smart cursoring. Use the insert key to control overtype mode and use overtype mode. Prompt to update style. Use normal style for bulleted or numbered lists. Keep track of formatting and mark formatting inconsistencies. Under updating style to match selection, we have different options like keep previous numbering and bullets pattern. Add numbering or bullets to all paragraphs with this style. Enable click and type with default paragraph styles. Styles available are envelope return, balloon text, comment subject, comment text, endnote text, normal web, heading 1 and normal. Show autocomplete suggestions. Do not automatically hyperlink screenshot. Automatically switch keyboard to match language of surrounding text. Next section is cut, copy and paste. For pasting within the same document, pasting between documents, pasting from other programs, options available are keep source formatting, merge formatting and keep text only. For pasting between documents when style definitions conflict, there is one additional option that is use destination styles. Options for insert or paste pictures are in line with text, square, tight, behind text, in front of text, through, top and bottom. We can keep bullets and numbers when pasting text with keep text only option. Use the insert key for paste. Show paste options button when content is pasted. Use smart cut and paste with settings. We can use default options for Word 2000-2010, Word 97-2000, custom. Individual options available are adjust sentence and word spacing automatically, adjust paragraph spacing on paste, adjust table formatting and alignment on paste, smart style behavior, merge formatting when pasting from Microsoft PowerPoint, adjust formatting when pasting from Microsoft Excel, merge pasted lists with surrounding lists. Next section is pen. We can use pen to select and interact with content by default. Next section is image size and quality. We can set it for current document or all new documents. Options available are discard editing data, do not compress images in file, and set default resolution with different resolutions, that is high fidelity, 330 ppi, 220 ppi, 150 ppi and 96 ppi. Next section is chart. We can set it for current or all new documents. Option available is, Properties follow chart data point. That is, custom formatting and data labels follow data points, as they move or change in the chart. Next section is Show document content. Options available are, Show background colors and images in print layout view. Show text wrapped within the document window. Show picture placeholders. Show drawings and text boxes on screen. Show bookmarks. Show text boundaries. Show crop marks. Show field codes instead of their values. Field shading options are never, always, when selected. Use draft font in draft and outline views with font selection and font size selection. Use fonts that are stored on the printer with font substitution. Expand all headings when opening a document. Next section is Display. Options available are, Show number of recent documents. Quickly access the number of recent documents. Show number of unpinned recent folders. Show measurement in units of inches, centimeters, millimeters, points and picas. Set style area pane width in drafts and outline views. Show pixels for HTML features. Show shortcut keys in screen tips. Show horizontal scroll bar. Show vertical scroll bar. Show vertical ruler in print layout view. Optimize character positioning for layout rather than readability. Disable hardware graphics acceleration. Update document content while dragging. Use subpixel positioning to smooth fonts on screen. Next section is Print. Options available are, Use draft quality. Print in background. Print pages in reverse order. Print XML tags. Print field codes instead of their values. Allow fields containing track changes to update before printing. Print on front of the sheet for duplex printing. Print on back of the sheet for duplex printing. Scale content for A4 paper sizes. Set default tray with options, that is, use printer settings, automatically select, only one. Next section is when printing this document. We can set it for current or all new documents. Options available are, Print PostScript over text. Print only the data from a form. Next section is Save. Options available are, Prompt before saving normal template. Always create backup copy. Copy remotely stored files onto your computer, and update the remote file when saving. Allow background saves. Next section is Preserve Fidelity when sharing this document. We can set it for current or all new documents. Options available are, Save form data as delimited text file. Embed linguistic data. Next section is General. Options available are, Provide feedback with sound. Provide feedback with animation. Confirm file format conversion on Open. Update automatic links at Open. Allow opening a document in draft view. Enable background repagination. Show add-in user interface errors. We can provide mailing address. Under File Locations, we can modify file locations for documents, images, user templates, workgroup templates, auto-recover files, tools and startup. Under Web Options, there are 5 tabs. Under Browser tab, we can select target browsers from list. That is Microsoft Internet Explorer 3, Netscape Navigator 3 or later. Microsoft Internet Explorer 4, Netscape Navigator 4 or later. Microsoft Internet Explorer 4 or later. Microsoft Internet Explorer 5 or later. Microsoft Internet Explorer 6 or later. Other options are, All PNG as the graphics format. Disable features not supported by these browsers. Rely on CSS for font formatting. Rely on VML for displaying graphics in browsers. Save new web pages as single-file web pages. Next tab is Files. Under File Names and Locations, options available are, Organize supporting files in a folder. Use long file names whenever possible. Update links on save. Under Default Editor, options available are: check if Office is the default editor for web pages created in Office. Check if Word is the default editor for all other web pages. Next tab is Pictures. We can set screen size in pixels per inch for target monitor. Next tab is Encoding. We can set encoding while reloading current document or while saving the document with different encodings from the list. Also, we can always save the web pages in the default encoding. Next tab is Fonts. Under Default Fonts, we can select Character Set. Set proportional font and size. Fixed width font and size. Next section is Layout Options for. We can set it for current document or all new documents. Options available are: add space for underlines, adjust line height to grid height in the table, balance SBCS, that is single byte character set, and DBCS, that is double byte character set characters. Convert backslash characters into yen signs. Don't center exact line height lines. Don't expand character spaces on a line that ends with shift return. Don't use HTML paragraph auto spacing. Draw underline on trailing spaces. Suppress extra line spacing at bottom of page. Suppress extra line spacing at top of page. Use line breaking rules. Next section is Compatibility Options, which we can set for current or all new documents. Next tab is Customize Ribbon. We can choose commands. Customize ribbon by adding new tab, new group, rename, adding or removing commands. Reset customizations with options, that is reset only selected ribbon tab and reset all customizations. Under Import or Export, we can import customization file or export all customizations. Also, we can customize keyboard shortcuts for different commands. Next tab is Quick Access Toolbar. We can select commands from list, add it to Quick Access Toolbar, or remove it from Quick Access Toolbar. Under Customizations, we can reset only Quick Access Toolbar or reset all customizations. Under Import or Export, we can import customization file or export all customizations. Also, we can show Quick Access Toolbar below or above the ribbon. Next tab is Add-ins. We can see all the add-ins and manage add-ins. Next tab is Trust Center. Under Trust Center Settings, first tab is Trusted Publishers. We can view or remove trusted publishers. Next tab is Trusted Locations. We can add new location, remove, or modify locations. Also, allow trusted locations on network and disable all trusted locations. Next tab is Trusted Documents. We can allow documents on a network to be trusted. Disable trusted documents. Also, clear all trusted documents so that they are no longer trusted. Next tab is Trusted Web Add-ins Catalogs. We can block any web add-ins to start and also web add-ins from Office Store. We can add catalog to Trusted Catalog Table, remove or clear catalogs. Next tab is Add-ins. Options available are: require application add-ins to be signed by trusted publisher. Disable notification for unsigned add-ins. Disable all application add-ins. Next tab is ActiveX Setting. Options available are: disable all controls without notification. Prompt me before enabling unsafe for initialization controls with additional restrictions and safe for initialization controls with minimal restrictions. Prompt me before enabling all controls with minimal restrictions. Enable all controls without restrictions and without prompting. Also, we can enable safe mode. That is helps limit the control access to computer. Next tab is Macro Settings. Options available are: disable all macros without notification. Disable all macros with notification. Disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Enable all macros. Also enable trust access to VBA Project Object Model. Next tab is Protected View. Options available are: enable protected view for files originating from the Internet. Enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations. Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. Next tab is Message Bar. Under Message Bar Settings for all Office Applications section, options available are: show the message bar in all applications when active content, such as ActiveX controls and macros, has been blocked. Never show notification about blocked content. Also, we can show policy tips in message bar. Turning this off will disable all policy tips unless your organization requires it. Also, we can enable Trust Center logging. Next tab is File Block Settings. We can select Open or Save for file type. If we select Open, Word blocks this file type or opens it in Protected View. If we select Save, Word prevents saving in this file type. Open behavior for selected file types are: do not open selected file types. Open selected file types in Protected View. Open selected file types in Protected View and allow editing. Also, we can restore defaults. Next tab is Privacy Options. Under Privacy Options section, options available are: send personal information to Microsoft to make improvement to Office. Let Office connect to online services from Microsoft to provide functionality that's relevant to your usage and preferences. Under Document-Specific Setting, options available are: warn before printing, saving or sending a file that contains changes or comments. Store random numbers to improve combined accuracy. Make hidden markup visible when opening or saving. Also, we can use Document Inspector to inspect content in document. Under Research and References section, we can use Translation Options and Research Options. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy eBook on Microsoft Word Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.